Menteri Rangba Khuborjylla Konrad ke sangma ulaong ba ki MLA ru kila banang a ya ki Jingiarap bakerke syaki Lanot lengshop mariang lengba ka skim SRWP lane naka discretionary grant habadon ki Jingjia bawan lengshop kensan da Khubor mariang. Yakani Menteri Rangba ula jubab halor ki jingkeli bawan ra da MLA kamau ringkeneng ba HS Kharpran. Hashwa jongkani, Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ba Khuborjylla ula pentip ba ka Jingiarap syaki Lanot syak lengshop mariang kadai betkat kum ki kendon jongka SDRF.
Sir, I think the Honourable Minister has already replied very clearly and categorically that the SDRF norms are very clear, and based on the SDRF norms, most of the areas and concerns are addressed, and whatever funds are available in that is given. On a case-to-case basis, sir, as mentioned by Honourable Minister, the concerned MLA also can give from the SRWP scheme or from the DG, the discretionary grant that is given. And on a case-to-case basis, wherever it is there, so we do intervene in whatever way possible, sir. But there is no specific guideline that says that additional amount will be given. It is all on the basis of SDRF norms, sir.